Hey everyone, welcome to the new session of English grammar. Today, as you can see on the screen, I've shared, we are going to do the chapter of sentences, simple, compound and complex sentences. This division of sentences, as I mentioned earlier during my class, is all based on the sentence structure. Okay, sentences are divided into various types based on different kinds. So this division is based on the sentence structure that they have. Proceeding further, you would be aware how it happens. So what is a sentence? You all know that sentence is a group of words that makes sense on its own. Okay, sentence तभी बनता है जब वहां पे complete एक sense बनती है. Sentences can be silly but still make sense. For example, the rainbow dog flew over the sun. Okay, so it involves a small phrase in it, but then it does make sense. Likewise, a sentence needs to have a verb. Okay, so if you are making a sentence, I hope you are aware about the basic structure. A sentence needs to have a subject and a predicate, or to be precise, a subject, verb and then an object. It needs to have a subject and an object as well. So if I quote an example, there are 8 planets in the solar system. This is a sentence. But if I say, and hurt his knee, okay, so I'm linking to something that happened previously, okay, so this is not a complete sentence. We are not getting complete sense out of it. We are only aware about half the part of the conversation. Likewise, the horse galloped around the racetrack. Okay, so if you mention this sentence, you can see there is a subject, the horse is the subject, galloped is the verb here, and around the racetrack is the object or the part of the sentence, and it ends up making a complete sense. So, as I mentioned in the beginning, we are going to learn about simple, compound and complex sentences. I will just tell you a brief about complex sentences. I have not made slides related to it because it's majorly simple and compound sentences that you have in your syllabus as of now. Okay, so I'll be taking that later in a different video. So simple sentences, as we just discussed, simple sentence is also called an independent clause. Okay, you have heard about, read about clauses. So clause can be independent and dependent. It can be both. Okay. So simple sentence जो है हम उसको independent clause भी कह सकते हैं because it contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. Okay, because independent clauses are like that. But dependent clauses do not make complete sense because they are dependent on the rest part of the sentence. As for example, Scott plays soccer in the morning. So it is a simple sentence which has one verb. Likewise, again, I'm giving you few examples of these sentences. Birds wash themselves in our bird bath. Okay. And now I talk about compound sentences. Compound sentence contains two, not just one, two independent clauses. So the way you have seen here, birds wash themselves in our bird bath and then they fly away. Okay, so this becomes a compound sentence. Okay, and compound sentences, whenever you see a compound sentence, it is always joined by a coordinating conjunction. Conjunction, remember, the words we use as linkers to join sentences. Okay, I came to school, I studied, I went home. Okay, आप ये कहते हो तो अलग अलग सेंटेंस बनाते हो. अब इसी को ही अगर आप एक कंजंक्शन से जोड़ दोगे, ठीक है, तो वो एक कंबाइंड सेंटेंस बन जाएगा. ओके, ऐसे ही फॉर एग्जांपल, स्कॉट वाज प्लेइंग सॉकर, सो मैरी वेंट टू द बीच. ओके, because he was doing busy something, so Mary did something else. So this is a compound sentence which has a main clause and conjunction and a main clause again. Okay, I hope you understood this. And one important thing, coordinating conjunctions use fanboys. Okay, coordinating conjunctions are actually these 7 only. Okay, there are 7 coordinating conjunctions, and it is very easy for you to remember it this way. Fanboys is a term you can remember. F is for, A is for and, N is for nor, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for yet, and S is for so. Okay. Make sentences using each of these coordinating conjunctions, as is mentioned in your practice book. Okay, few conjunctions of these are used here and there. So compound sentences are only made with the use of these coordinating conjunctions. Okay, and we have seen the use. I quoted an example of and, but, and so. The rest of it you have to do, you have to make few sentences. You can even write the sentences, type them in the comments box below. As you can see here, Jake drove the car and Mary read the map. Okay, so and is here. Likewise, Jane is coming over, so we can go for a swim. Okay, क्या है, सारे sentences conjunction से join हो गए हैं. ठीक है, it is a very simple concept, okay, which if you understand, you can just simple and compound both kinds of sentences are clear to you. And clause, I said, people complicate it, बहुत difficult कर देते हैं कि clause क्या होता है, clause क्या होता है, whereas clause is just a small and simple thing. Clause has a subject and a predicate. ओके, इंडिपेंडेंट भी होता है क्लॉज और डिपेंडेंट भी होता है. मींस कभी कभी उसको दूसरे सेंटेंस की जरूरत पड़ती है तो वो डिपेंडेंट हुआ क्योंकि वो दूसरे किसी क्लॉज पे, किसी सेंटेंस पे डिपेंडेंट है. और इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ अगर वो अपने आप में कंप्लीट सेंस मेक कर रहा है कंप्लीट सेंटेंस से. Okay, as I have mentioned here, I am again reiterating what I said. So simple sentence is one which has just one verb and one subject, whereas a compound sentence is going to have a main clause, a conjunction, and then again a main clause. So it means that it will have two verbs and two different subjects, or the subject may be one, but it is talking about two different verbs related to the subject. Okay, and it is always joined using these coordinating conjunctions. ये coordinating conjunctions जो हैं बहुत ही मैंने rainbow colors में लिखे हैं, so इसको याद कर लो अच्छे से, because it will be easy for you, and they are used at many places. You can even use these conjunctions to make different sentences when you write an article. Okay, when you write any piece of writing, when you write answers to the questions of your literature chapters, you can use these conjunctions. It will help you to construct compound sentences which are required. Okay, so I end on this note. If there is any query that you have, you can just ask me. Okay, likewise there is another sentence which is given. So everyday grammar. Okay, I end in this note that grammar is there every day. Okay, grammar is involved. So it is not just preposition, it is not just a verb, it is not just infinitives or gerunds, it is everything. Okay, so keep informing yourselves of different things related to grammar and keep practicing it. Okay, thank you. Take care of yourselves.